Here you can see the breakdown of a particular student's grade, and you can see it's organized by category, their mark, and then the weighting, or how much it was worth of their final grade. So for example, you can see that for attendance, they got a 97, and that was worth 5% of their total grade. For assignments, they got an 85, and that was worth 25% of their final grade. And for their unit tests, they got a mark of 88, and it's worth 40% of their final grade. However, we don't have a grade for the final exam. And so we're going to do what we normally do in math and represent it by a variable. Now, their final grade in the course was 85%. Can we use that information to find what their mark was on the final exam? Yes, we can. Here's how to do it. So the final mark is going to be equal to the summation of all of the marks times their associated weightings. So in this case, the final grade is 85, and it's equal to, well, the first mark times its weighting, so 97 times 5%, plus 85 times 25%, plus 88 times 40%, and then finally, the value I don't know, x times 30%. Now, if I simplify all of the multiplication, it's going to give me 85 is equal to 4.85 plus 21.25 plus 35.2 plus, of course, 0.3x. I still don't know what x is. However, if I simplify further by doing all of that addition on the right-hand side of the equal sign, it gives me 85 is equal to 61.3 plus 0.3x. Now, I'm trying to isolate for x, so I want the 61.3 to the other side, and if it goes to the other side of the equal sign, I need to use inverse operations, so it becomes a negative, and so 85 minus 61.3 is equal to 0.3x. Now 85 minus 61.3 is just 23.7. And now I have one more step to get x by itself. I need to divide both sides by 0.3. If I divide both sides by 0.3, then that gives me x is equal to 79. And this means this student got a 79 on their final exam.